guys, it's Adriana from Let's Make It Academy, and in this very brief tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these eyeglass cases out of pot holders, or of course they can even be sunglass case holders. And I got my pot holders at the Dollar Tree and it was like 2 for $1, so I paid 50 cents for one pot holder and literally made these in 5 minutes. Okay, no, I'm lying. I made them in maybe 10 minutes because the most time-consuming part for me is actually choosing how I'm going to decorate and design them. Anyway, let's go. Let's make it. This is so easy, and they make a great gift too. So choose the pot holder you want to use, and I'm going to be using a solid one for this tutorial, but of course prints are also pretty cool and cute to use as well, but I want to jazz mine up with all kinds of embellishments. So what you're going to do before you fold it in half and sew it is actually cut off this tag close to the edge, and then I'm using my fabric clips to fold it and keep it in place. You can also pin it if you don't have fabric clips. And now on the sewing machine, what I'm going to do is keep this end open, and I'm going to sew down this line, and I'm literally going to use the actual seam that's already there and follow that and backstitch on this end and on that end. I've sewn it closed, I just make sure that my glasses fit in there, and they do. And in the event that your glasses may be wider, what you can do instead of following the seam that's already there, you can actually sew even closer to the edge. And of course you can hand sew it as well and do a blanket stitch on the edge if you like that look. Anyway, now is the fun part of decorating the front. You can hand sew the pieces on, or you can glue the pieces on. And for this one, you can see that I had a lot of fun with this embroidered piece and this extra little embellishment of a flower. But for this one, I went through some broken jewelry that I have, and buttons as I make noise there. And really, anything you do here is totally up to you. Decide which one you want to be your front. And since I'm left oriented, I like my loop to be on the left. And I believe I'm gonna use this earring piece because it's so pretty. I can't use this one because the stones are missing, but I'm going to use my wire snips to remove the little loop and start playing around. I was thinking of adding this silver ribbon and making a bow, but I think I don't want too much sticking out. So I'm going to stick to my decorative buttons. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue them on because I know I'm definitely not going to wash and dry this. So I like to clip off the backs so they lay flat when I hot glue it. The hardest part for me is making decisions as to what I want to see here, but I think I'm going to lay it out like this, and they're not glued down yet. So of course, always place them down first before gluing and making decisions. So these are actually supposed to be sewn on, and there's like holes in the back there, but I'm going to cheat and do the hot gluing. It'll definitely need more. I just wanted to place it down before it ran. Okay. And just like that, you have this gorgeous eyeglass or even sunglass case holder. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. See you in the next video.